In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your website using Google Calendar. This is a useful feature if you want to keep your audience informed about events, appointments, or any schedule-related activities. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by either typing the URL directly or searching for Google Calendar online. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in with the account that hosts the calendar you want to share. This is a crucial first step because you'll need to access the settings of the specific calendar. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Opening Settings is key because it allows you to adjust and customize how your calendar is presented and shared. Within the Settings menu, take a moment to browse through and find the specific calendar you wish to embed on your website. You might have multiple calendars, so ensure you select the correct one to avoid any potential mix-ups. Once you've located your calendar on the list, click on it to be taken to its settings page. Now, on the calendar settings page, scroll down to where you see the option labeled Customize. Clicking on this will allow you to tailor the calendar to better fit the aesthetic and functional needs of your website. Customization is important if you want the embedded calendar to seamlessly integrate into the look and feel of your site. After you've made your customization choices, you'll see an option to copy link. This link is a snippet of HTML code. It's what you'll need to embed the calendar into your web page. It's just like adding a widget, so go ahead and highlight the code, then copy it to your clipboard. With your code ready, open the HTML editor for your website. This may be within a website builder like WordPress, Wix, or any other platform you are using. Navigate to the specific page where you want your calendar to appear. Once there, paste the code you copied into the HTML section of your web page. Finally, save your changes and preview the page to ensure the calendar is displaying correctly. The calendar should now be available for your audience to view, allowing them to easily keep track of the events you choose to share. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Google Calendar to your website. This tool can significantly enhance user engagement by keeping visitors updated with important dates and events. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.